the arrow of time. It is a concept that describes the asymmetry of events in our universe, the fact that time seems to flow in a particular direction, from the past to the present and on to the future. This notion is deeply intertwined with the second law of thermodynamics and the observed behavior of physical processes. Let's delve into the details. Entropy and disorder, the second law of thermodynamics, states that the total entropy or disorder of an isolated system tends to increase over time. This means that in natural processes, things tend to become more disordered and spread out as time goes on. Irreversibility, like a cup of hot coffee cooling down, show a distinct before and after. This process is irreversible once the coffee cools. It doesn't spontaneously become hot again. The increase in entropy is closely tied to the direction of time's arrow. In the early universe, conditions were much more ordered and less chaotic. As time progresses, the universe becomes more disordered, and this increase in entropy points toward the forward direction of time. We can remember the past, but not the future. We experience events sequentially, with cause preceding effect. This alignment with the direction of increasing entropy gives rise to our intuitive sense of time flowing in a particular direction. The cosmic microwave background radiation, leftover heat from the Big Bang, is more uniform than we would expect if the universe's early state was random. This is consistent with the idea that the early universe had lower entropy and has evolved toward higher entropy over time. Origin of the arrow, the question of why the universe started in a low entropy state, the Big Bang, and moves toward a high entropy state, is a fundamental mystery. Some physicists suggest that the arrow of time might be linked to the initial conditions of the universe or the way the universe interacts with higher dimensions. While our everyday experiences show time as irreversible, the laws of physics themselves don't inherently distinguish between past and future. Most physical laws are time-symmetric, meaning they work the same way whether time runs forward or backward. The arrow of time raises philosophical questions about the nature of time, causality, and the origins of our universe. It's a central topic of discussion in physics and cosmology, offering insights into the fundamental nature of reality. In summary, the arrow of time is a fundamental characteristic of our universe, rooted in the increase of entropy over time. The direction of time's flow, from past to future, shapes our experiences, the behavior of physical processes, and our understanding of the unfolding cosmos.